I think I'll use this one. Is that the same size? This week on Jack and Jew, we are making Dutch babies. Because why not? Right?
Because I saw that Amy from Overseasoned made one and shared a recipe on her Instagram, and just like the butter sliding down the sides into the center, I just needed that. And also I was like, I've never made one before. What a weird thing to decide to do, and how fun.
And the ingredients that you need for it are ones that you probably already have on hand. It's like basics. Here's our bowl. Make sure your oven is preheated to 425. Half a cup of flour.
Okay. Into the bowl.
Into the bowl. Everything goes into the bowl all at once, except for the butter.
That's really easy.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon of sugar. It just says like cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg. So you can just kind of do like a pinch. That's where you can kind of customize it. If you don't like cardamom, you don't have to put it in there. That's fine.
Okay. We'll do a little cinnamon.
I'm doing a little nutmeg. I have a little cardamom, so I think I might put it in there.
What about salt?
There's no salt in the recipe.
I'm going to add some.
I'm going to too.
I just like, I even add salt to my oatmeal, so.
Same.
I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon.
Okay, and now we are going to add in our 3 eggs. Just crack them on in there.
These are the last of my eggs, so.
Your eggs are in there. You can also add in your milk, and you're just going to whisk until everything is like combined.
How much milk?
Half a cup of milk.
Okay.
I feel like a giant when I use this fork. Look at this. It looks like this. You can see it better in Dakota's. So just put your butter in your cast iron, and you can just stick the whole thing in the oven to melt the butter.
Well, that's cool. I was wondering when melting the butter came into play.
Yeah, and don't let your butter burn, right? So keep an eye on it, but it's like an easy way to preheat your pan and to melt the butter at the same time.
Oh, awesome. I've got my quarantine pineapple.
Oh yeah, baby.
So my butter is like swirled around and melted, and I just literally pour this in. That's it. No like technique or anything.
Just throw her in there.
Whoa.
Just put it back in the oven. It's at 425.
Oh my God, a blast of heat. I almost lost all my eyelashes.
I need to get my eyebrows done because they just burn off. 20 minutes. This might be the hardest part about this recipe, but do not open the oven.
I'm so glad you told me that, because I already want to.
Oh yeah, and especially when it like starts getting puffy, don't open it.
Okay. Wow.
Just turn the oven light on if you really want to look at it.
I might have to sit on my hands.
Or you'll have a flat baby. No one likes a flat baby. I'm going to cut up some apples right now to make a little compote to go on top.
Ooh, I'm going to open a jar of blueberry jam that we made in 2015. It literally has Gus hair attached to it. Can you see? There's like cat hair stuck to the side. I have one forming mound, a promising mound.
Mine is getting puffed up on the sides.
On both sides?
Kind of like all around the perimeter.
Okay, mine's only on one side.
Maybe there is more butter on one side than the other side, so it's weighed down or something.
Maybe. Oh my God. Oh my God!
Don't open the the oven.
It's working.
It works.
Huge.
Our baby has done the initial rise, finished the 20 minutes, and now we lowered the temperature to 300, and we're cooking it for another 10 minutes, for sure.
Oh,
Oh, yours is puffier in the middle than mine. Look.
oh hi, Dad.
Wow. Hi.
How do you like it?
It's really good.
Oh, good.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know how to attack this.
Yeah, right. Exactly. Mine is really crunchy on the bottom.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're totally right. It's like a popover.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a big popover.
Mm-hmm. I just want to eat it with my fingers. So.
Mm-hmm. Caramelized and toasty and chewy.
Okay, well, it was nice hanging.
All right. There you go. Your inspo for the week.
Dutch booby. Gotta make one.